Welcome back. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to send an email via Gmail using Java. So for here, for sending the email using Java Mail API, you need to load two jar files. One is mail.jar and another is activation.jar. So here you can see in my pom.xml file, here I have mentioned the dependencies called com.sun.mail and javax.mail. So within this dependency you can get the both dependency, which is I have mentioned, mail.jar and activation.jar. So for I have here already created one maven project. So to know how to create maven project, end up to this video, and within the description of this video you can see the link how to create a maven project. So let's start. How to send an email. So here first we need two parameters like a username and password. So here I'm going to mention it final. Here I'm mentioning my email address and string, then password. So here I'm not mentioning my password. You can write here your own password and for testing purpose. So here we have to declare properties. So for that I have created instance for property class. So adding some properties. So for this I'm here writing mail.smtp.host, and for this host I'm here writing a value for this key smtp.gmail.com. Now another properties. So here I'm just copy pasting this. So we are saving our time. So host, then I have to mention it here port number. So the port number is 465. Then auth true. Then socket factory. 465 port number. Here socket factory dot class, and here I'm providing the SSL java x dot net dot ssl dot ssl socket factory. So now here I'm creating session, which is a session is belongs to the java x mail. So here get instance. So within this I have to write props, which is the this my properties object, property class object. And then here I'm creating authentication java x dot mail dot authenticator. So here we have to pass our username and password for this authentication. So here I'm declaring protected password authentication. Here you can see I am providing here username, which is this, and I'm here providing the password. So now after this we are going to write a message. So we have to write it with this within the try and catch block. It so this is the my message with session object, and then here within the this message I am setting the set from. So from within this we have to pass. Actually here, okay, we are not mentioning the session object, right? So here I'm mentioning session is equals to, okay, here. So within this from we provide here internet address, which is your sender name, means from. So here my sender name is my username, so my, which is my email id I mentioned here. Then here I'm passing message dot set recipients. So here within the recipients you can choose. Here we have two objects, right? So one is the recipient type, okay, and one is the address. This type means the what kind type of the recipient. This is a two, and within the address we have to pass. If you want to send a single mail, then we have to pass here one single address object. And if you want to send a multiple objects or multiple recipients, so here you can choose another method, recipients. So within this you can pass the address array. So within this address array you can pass the multiple of receivers. So here pass message dot recipient type dot to. So you can mention here to cc. Here we have a lots of options, right? This is cc to, but we are using here to. And within the addresses I am passing here addresses. For this we are using internet address dot parse string address list. So within this address list I'm mentioning here star to star at the rate gmail.com, and I can add here at the rate gmail.com. So now here we are typing message dot set subject. So here I'm typing the subject testing Gmail, and after that here we have to pass some message. So this email bodies, for that we have to using email text. So within this text I'm obviously writing tier viewer, yeah, // please subscribe my channel, which is my YouTube channel Programming Hub. So now, so here we have to use transport Java, which is Java x.mail dot send method message. Here we are passing our message object, and after passing is we are here typing this out. Done. So within this catch block we can here, while sending the mail, if any error occurs then it will throws an error messaging exception. It dot print text trace. So let's save it and run it. Run. So here we got an exception called Java x.mail.authentication failed exception. So what is this? User and password not accepted. So here this is not because of that I am passing here star. If I am passing here valid address, so that can also have we have get this error. So how to avoid this error and why this error is occurs? So this error, if you while you are typing here the correct username and user password, so the error will become same throw. So for avoiding this error, you have to open your Gmail account. So here I have already logged into my Gmail account, and you have to pass here uh, one URL, which is myaccount.google.com/less secure apps. So after this, you can see this page, less secure apps, which is obviously provided by the Google. You can see here my Google account. Here you can see here my Google account, programming hub. So here you have to just do it. Your allow less secure apps is off, so you have to just turn it on. So click here and it's on. So now you can send your mail here. So after on this, you can send your email. So I am not here typing my password to show you. Chalo, okay, no problem, let's do it. So after this, running the program, you will get the mail which you having the subjects which you have typed testing Gmail, and the this is the body. Okay, if you got any problem or any error, please mention it in comment box. Definitely I will help you out. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my video and channel. Thank you.